How to make travel intro animation using text reveal effect in Canva. Now, this is going to be the most or the very basic tutorial on making a travel intro animation using our text reveal effect. The first things first is, of course, pull up your Canva and make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, second thing that you'll need to do is just simply go to Canva's homepage and just simply click on create a new design. Then once you're here, you should have a specific background you want. If you want, you can also get a background here specifically for Canva. Now I have prepared my own background right here. So I'll just pull it up. You go to uploads and tap on your background. Now in here, if you want this background to be a full background, just simply right click on it and go to set image as background. Now from here, we'll have to add text. So say for example, Cebu City. So you resize your font according to your background. You can change the color by clicking on left side of the bold icon right here. Change it to white. Now you can also add depth on your font and you can change your font style. So let's try it. There. So I'm good with this. Now next thing you do is you go ahead and add a new page. Now this page is gonna be a blank or a plain background. So to do that, just simply go to elements and just hover around these settings right here, like the frame, music, arrow, line, till you find shape. And shape, you can choose any shape you want. Does not matter because we're covering up the whole background. So this is going to be the shape. So let's change the color, right side of edit. Let's change it to blue and let's cover the whole background. Resizing it, just click and holding on edges of this picture. Now when this is done, you'll just have to swap the second page to your first page. So click and hold it like so. And then right here, we need to go ahead and add a font. Now go back to text, go to add a heading. Now let's change the text to travel. Now resize the text based on your preference. Change the font. Okay. Now we'll have to add animation to this font. Add animate. And you could choose on any of these animations right here as suggested. Now in my case, I'm going to be using just a basic one, which is going to be under general. Now next thing you do is right click on your font and click on show element timing so we can add another font. So let's see, change the duration. Okay, and after this we'll add another text, add heading. Now let's type in 2. Now again resize it based on your preference. Change the font. Okay, and you can also change the text color by clicking on this icon right here. Now next thing you do is add animation, same animation so it will look cinematic. Now let's just change the timing after travel. Can adjust it and have a review. Okay, let's shorten this. Now let's shorten the main page like so. Now once the first page is done, we can go ahead and work on the second page. And just simply tap into edit. Now from here, we'll have to add another shape or add another graphics. Now, since we're trying to edit a travel animation, let's add an airplane. Just go to elements and choose on graphics. Now from graphics, we can type in, for example, real plane. Now you can choose on any of this existing graphics as long as it is free, and you can also try to use the premium ones. Okay, let's choose an airplane here. Okay, let's try to search for airplane. Now we can choose on this one right here. Now resize it based on your preference. Now you'll have to add this airplane all the way to the left, like so. And then do not press anything yet. Just simply click on animate and press on create an animation. Now to create an animation, all you have to do is just to click and hold on where your graphics is coming from, and then drag it where you would like the airplane to go. For example, this one. Okay, animate, create animation, and drag it wherever or wherever you want, like that. So all I have to do to make it stable is just change the movement styles to steady, and you can also change the speed. Now once you're good with this, you just have to click on done, and you can try to change the duration where on when the airplane is gonna come. Okay, all right. So since we cannot click and drag further all the way to the right, all we can do to crop the plane is just simply tap and hold on these either of these edges right here to crop the duration of that graphic. Okay, so let's go ahead and make the perfect timing. There we go. And you can try to adjust the second page so we can crop the unnecessary clip. Now to review the clip that you made, all you have to do is to click this arrow right here, or you can click Control Alt P on your keyboard. So let's try to review it. There you go. So that's how you make a travel intro animation using text reveal effect in Canva the very basic way.